G'day, Bill here. A few years back I got myself an NEQ-6 mount and I've been using it quite successfully for deep space astrophotography. But over the last year or so the tracking has been getting a bit worse. You can see this in my PhD2 logs. I'm guessing this is a result of backlash in the gears. It's also starting to sound pretty rattly when it's slewing. So I decided to get a Rowan Astronomy belt mod kit, including the extra bearing nut removal tool. I'm hoping this modification is going to give me better tracking and quieter slewing for years to come. After talking to some friends about doing this, they suggested I make a video. I'm hoping this is going to help other people who want to do it themselves. I'm not the first person to do this. There have been a few, notably Kari Brown, who's done a series of excellent videos. Kari, if you ever see this, thanks for those videos. They helped a lot and they gave me the confidence to do this in the first place. And of course I'm using the Rowan Astronomy instructions. I'll put up slides on the video to show how Kari's videos and the instructions relate to what I'm doing. It's probably not always going to be matched exactly, but I'll see how it goes. Okay, to the videos themselves. But first, the problem. Here's the mount slewing before the modifications. This is before I've done anything, so let's just listen to the motors. I'll go one way and then the other. Go the other way, you'll probably hear the backlash starting. It starts about here, I think. See, that's not good. Okay, the declination is different. I think it's quite good. Yeah, actually it doesn't seem too great, does it? Alright, let's see if we can do something about that. With luck, the modification will help these problems. There are 3 phases to the work: disassembly, modification and testing. Disassembly I've done in 2 videos. First, we start with a complete mount and remove the declination axis and the stepper motors. Second, we remove the RA axis and separate the worm housing. Modification I've done in 3 videos. In the first, we install the belt in the RA worm housing and replace the RA axis. In the second, we install the belt in the deck worm housing and replace the deck axis. In the third video, we remount the stepper motors on the new plates and install them in the upper housing. The last phase of the project is testing and adjustment, mainly for backlash. So let's get into it.